Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Even though Clash Royale is a mobile-first game, playing it on your laptop can really change your experience. Imagine seeing every troop, every spell, clearly on a big screen, giving you a better view of the entire arena. Plus, using your mouse for precise placements and keyboard shortcuts for quick reactions can give you a significant advantage. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite game with a whole new level of comfort and control. So, how do you actually get a mobile game like Clash Royale onto your big screen? The best and most straightforward method is to use an Android emulator. Think of these as special programs that create a complete virtual Android phone right inside your computer. This means you can download and run Clash Royale, along with all your other favorite Android apps, just as you would on your phone or tablet. It truly opens up a world of mobile gaming on your desktop. Getting started is quite simple. Begin by downloading an emulator like BlueStacks directly from its official website. Once the download is complete, follow the installation prompts. It's very much like installing any other software. After installation, you'll need to sign in with your Google account, which connects you to the Google Play Store. From there, it's just a matter of opening the Play Store inside the emulator, searching for Clash Royale, and hitting install. You'll be playing in no time. To truly make the most of playing on your laptop, dive into the emulator settings. You'll find options to customize key bindings, letting you assign specific keyboard keys to actions like deploying troops or casting spells. This gives you incredibly precise control. Also, be sure to fine-tune the graphics settings to get the best performance for your machine. Experiment a little to find that sweet spot between clear visuals and smooth gameplay. These adjustments really enhance your competitive edge. So, playing Clash Royale on your laptop via an emulator remains the top recommendation for 2025. This method offers unparalleled control and visual clarity that mobile devices just can't match. As emulators continue to evolve, we can expect even better performance and compatibility going forward. If you're looking for a new way to enjoy your favorite strategy game, or simply want a competitive edge, giving Clash Royale a try on your laptop is definitely a fantastic idea. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.